Happy World Hypnotism Day. Did you know that hypnotherapy is transforming lives around the globe? Imagine being part of that change, helping people to overcome fears and break free of bad habits and unlocking their full potential. At the New Zealand Academy of Clinical Hypnotherapy, we offer a comprehensive diploma course designed to turn your passion into a profession. With over 1,000 hours of learning and hands-on practice, you'll master the art of hypnosis and build the skills needed to create a lasting impact. Flexible online courses, expert mentorship, and a supportive community await you. Whether you're starting fresh or adding to your skill set, we're here to guide you every step of the way. This World Hypnotism Day, take the first step towards a rewarding career in hypnotherapy. Visit us at nzach.ac.nz to learn more and enrol today. The power to transform lives starts with you.